on the evening of the summer solstice, when light lingered longest and the air was thick with grace. The Herald Christian Marriage Retreat was held at Eddy Farm, offering couples a sacred space to build their marriages in love beneath the open veranda. With white curtains gently swaying and lanterns casting a golden glow, couples gathered for a candlelight dinner that felt both intimate and eternal. The table, adorned with fresh flowers and soft linens, became more than a place for food. It became an altar of renewal. Surrounded by nature and wrapped in prayer, husbands and wives shared quiet conversations, heartfelt glances, and moments of reconnection. It was a time not to escape life, but to return to what matters most, the covenant of love rooted in Christ at Eddy Farm on the solstice night.